Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to discuss a very important question from module 3 of microcontrollers. So our question is develop an ALP to find the sum of first 10 integer number. So here is our ALP to find sum of first 10 integers. Firstly we will use move from R0 and with the hashtag 0. Here we will do the sum is equals to 0. Then we will write move R1 register with hashtag 10. Here we are using loop and an add operation where R0, R0, R1. Here we will do sum is equals to sum of counter. And here's the subtraction. Then BNE we use. And then this close the loop and keep running until counter is equals to 0. Then final sum will be 55 stored in R0. So here's the explanation is very simple. You can read easily. Here R0 is nothing but stores the sum. R1 is nothing but loop counter. Add is nothing but adds counter value to sum. Subbase is nothing but decrement counter and updates flag. And Bn is nothing but branches back if counter is not 0. Here's the result 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like up to 55. So our final answer will be sum which is nothing but 55 stored in R0. This is very easy and important question. You don't have to miss this because the chances of coming these type of question is very high in microcontrollers. And if you want these notes, you guys can join our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel whose link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. Express VTU for all.